schedule. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great night or a great weekend. Ready for a great short holiday week. 1 minute here. We'll look at the markets overnight. We'll get some trading. Looks like we're a little bit choppy after initial rise up. Big gap up there. You see ES gapped up from a close of 991 all the way up to 6006. A 15-point gap. So that was our low, 0550 up to 1925. So about 14 points in range after the gap up. NQ, same thing, 928 all the way up to 980. Not a huge range on the NQ there. 928, 980, so about really only 50 points. Yeah, only about 52 points. And that's an interesting candle there on the Dow. Wow. Anyway, Tafa, only about 80 ticks in range. Ultra Bond, about half a point in range. It looks like we didn't have a lot of movement overnight. This is gold. Did I miss? Let me move that. Gold fell, hit a high at 27.23, and it fell hard. About 63 points in range. Wow. This might have to do with the fact that China found a new gold mine that has like almost $1 billion worth of gold in it. So that's gonna mess with supply. Crude oil above 70, a little over a point in range there. Natural gas rising up. And Bitcoin never hit 100K, sitting at just under 98. That's where we sit today. Now, whatever body posture you're using to take it right now, this looks kind of ugly. Why is that on a 5-minute chart? There we go. That does not look pretty right now. This would have been a nice move right there. But I wasn't trading then. Oh, nobody here this morning yet? Monday. Everybody gonna take off this week or no news scheduled for today. We do have news scheduled Tuesday and Wednesday as they're gonna try and pack everything in because of the holiday. We took a holiday. It's time to celebrate. One thing. Purple candle there. It's still choppy though, so I'm not really interested. Hey D, how's it going? So give me a couple minutes here. I'm not going to be looking at the charts. That sounds like a good weekend. I'm going to be setting up my Tradovate differently. The not the actual Tradovate, but the ATM. So give me a minute on that. If I can remember how. Okay, let me figure this out. Uh, okay, so quantity one, I want my stop loss at 40 and my target of 40. Stop loss two, I want 120. That's 10 points. That's 30 points. Yeah, we'll do with that. We can adjust it from there if we want. Okay, I'll take that. Let me see. I don't know what break even is, but that works. Okay, that's what we'll use. There we go. That's set. Now we're ready to rock and rumble. That purple candle ended up working. Our ATR is only under 5, so obviously they're not big moves right now. There's a little pop. Once you pop, you can't stop. That's what they say. Probably gonna be a slow, choppy week, I think. I don't know. Let's turn back time. Let's turn on a volume chart, a volume indicator, and let's look back. Volume daily, and we'll turn back time. Let's turn back time. This was Thanksgiving week last year. Wow, wonder why the Friday before was so low in volume. That's weird. It wasn't Black Friday, was no way it was. Hold on, yeah, it was. Never mind. Okay, so this is the week I want to look at. Volume was down some, but not doesn't look too much. We didn't move a whole lot though. This was the Monday before Thanksgiving. That was 190 points, but this day we only moved 96, and this day we only moved 59. So that actually is not a good indication for fun trading. So let's take this back. Take this back to a redneck city. And girls are pretty. Continue to grind downward. Still falling. Looks like down's the direction. This purple candle here would have been good. This one looks like this one would have been good too. So out of the chop and down to here. Let's see if it breaks through this recent low of 943. Since I didn't get in on this. Where's my Tradovate? I don't have it pinned. Where is everybody this Monday morning? It's time to wake up. Welcome, Speed Racer. Welcome, Passing Props. Looks like I just woke everybody up. How are you all doing today? How was everybody's weekend? Yeah, mine was all right. Got a lot done. Still a lot to do. Caught up on some sleep. Yeah, I like working with Fidias. They're good. They seem good. I'm still fuzzy on whether they have a path to live though or not. So keep that in mind. I'm trying to figure that one out. Ah, Ball and Ox banner up top is wrong, just so everybody knows. And the Nightbot, I forgot to change that. Right now it's 75%. I know as soon as they change it, they're going to put it back to 90 something percent. So let me just change the Nightbot though. I'll just turn it off for the day. Um, Next gen's okay. Um, I seem to be a little strict. I forget there was something that popped up about next gen. Let me look, see if I can find it on the Discord. Well, here somebody. Okay, so someone on my Discord did get paid by them. BNF's cousin says they received $8,100 from them. So there you go. Uh, Maybe that's all I saw. I thought I saw something that people had an issue with, but maybe not. Maybe I'm mixing them up. So someone's been paid. Pops back up. I really doubt you're going to be able to share it across continents. The They've really, from what I don't have a Netflix, but from what I've heard, they've really got strict with that stuff. It's still struggling to move up here. We are falling, but slowly. My God, it's only Monday morning and I'm already yawning. At least I'll get some extra sleep this week. Sleeping for at least an extra 2 hours before the Macy's parade on Thursday. Sleeping for an extra hour or two on Friday as well. Excuse me. That looks like we're popping up here. Where is my? There it is. There it is. Kind of like the setup. It came down, up, bounced down, couldn't get lower, trying up. If we do this, we're not going to go for more than 5 points. I don't think our ATR is still under 5. I thought I took it. Either I've delayed or I missed the button. Well, apparently I missed the button. Okay, so we'll stay out of that. Did that? I'm trading a Tradovate 150K direct to funded account today. So I'm going to be using 2 contracts, which is unusual for me. Where one, I'll take one off at, well, if it starts moving, like say after the bell, maybe I'll take one off at 10 points and then try and get more out of the second one. That would have been a good trade too. I would have got what I was looking for. Still not sure how I missed the button. That's Monday. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing, buddy? That was a nice little rise up. I could have got 5 or 10 off of that. Well, could have got 5. Excellent, Crip. Very good. I'm still trying to push up here. Blue candle. But I don't like that EMA looming there. 200 EMA. Don't you see that to take your kid to school, Crypt? Oh, wow. I never got that lucky when I was in school. It was always up to the Wednesday, and then maybe you might have the following Monday off, which never made sense to me. Kids still sleeping? Well, to do something with him, play some PS. Ooh, wow. Whoosh. Was there news that I did not know about? I My little calendar said thing. Oh, Chicago National Activity Index. Wow. Negative 0.4. They expected negative 0.2. So apparently that was actually something important. I mean, I should say wow. It was 5 points. Looked bigger than it was. He won't let you play with Crypt? Hmm. Nap sounds good. I'll join you. Yeah. Sounds like you need a second TV and a second PS5 there, Crypt. Morning, Chris. How was your weekend? Pretty good, thank you. Good morning, Barry. Welcome to the stream. I don't recognize your names. I'm assuming you're new, or I'm assuming I'm getting early set Alzheimer's. I really got to freshen up that joke. Nice to have you. Yes, I'm waiting for an entry. John DeFore, good morning. How's your how was your weekend? I always like to ask new people questions, but you can always tell me to shut up and totally ignore me. Most people do. I always like to know how long you've been trading, what asset or assets you like to trade, and do you trade with your money or do you use prop firms? That sounds like a wonderful weekend, John. You told the new person that freighter why? Uh, Completely new to trading? Pulls back here a little bit. Well, so Barry, you'll find this community extremely helpful. We'll be happy to help you, start this journey, but I want to make sure you have the right mindset for it because a lot of people come in here and think they're going to be rich by next month. Most people are not profitable trading within their first year. So this is for the cliche, it's a marathon and not a sprint. So I just want you to make sure you're not expecting to be, driving a Lambo by spring. It can be a real grind as you're learning, especially the mental aspect of it. That's what really gets people, the mental aspect. That's what gets me. So I just want to make sure that you understand that. Back passing props. So that's also crypt. Um, okay, so Barry, you're totally new. So you're seeing my chart. Let's just hone in on my NQ chart, and you should not start on NQ. But let's just hone in on my NQ chart. Do you understand anything of what you're seeing here? Have you looked at looked at charts before and know what you're looking at, or are we um, starting there? Here, I'll even turn off my colored candles for a second. Up to resistance one on the trigger point here. Let's see if it gets through. Okay. Um, I admit I'm always at a little bit of a loss to for someone that's completely new. Okay, so kind of a related question, kind of a non-related question. Do you use Discord, Barry? So I have a Discord community where it might be easier to learn somewhat there. Okay. Join my Discord and we'll find some people that'll help get you started and some information to get you started and all that fun stuff. So basically, the basics. This is a candlestick chart. This is actually a very ugly candlestick chart. But now, on most normal charts, green means the price went up during this time period. And I've got a 1 minute chart. So each one of these candles represents a 1 minute time frame. What happened in that 1 minute? And red means the price went down. That's the most basic. Now I have some indicators on here that change my candle colors. And for now, when right now I don't like this price action, so I'm just kind of watching. But when I go to enter a trade, I will tell you why I entered it and you know see if you could pick some stuff up from there. Ask any questions you have along the way. Like I said, it's a very helpful community. No one's going to talk down on you because you're new or because you don't know something. We're a very friendly community. I guess the question is, do you know what futures are versus stocks and forex? Because I'm trading futures. Okay. You have concepts of an idea of. I said a lot there really quickly of what futures are. Uh, Still rising here, trying to get claim back up to 21,000 on NQ. High day was 980. We're at 971. So as stocks are, individual companies, futures are either commodities like oil. This is oil, natural gas, gold, or things like index futures, which is mostly what I trade. NQ is a futures product based on the triple Qs ETF, just like the ES is the S&P 500, etc. Basically, futures you're speculating on the future price, but most of us just day trade it. This is a beautiful rise up. Futures has a centralized exchange, the CME, whereas Forex, the brokers decide your spreads. Forex is just more of a wild, wild west. Ooh, nice rise here up to the second resistance point here. Oh, and bursts right through it. Look at that go. That's a 13-point candle. Um, Futures is just better regulated, better uh, for a few reasons. This is a beautiful burst up. So futures, there's a possibility uh, big money quick and losing big money quick. So you have to control your risk management. So let's say I would have taken this trade from the bottom. This would have gone 45 points. That's a $900 move for one contract in a matter of like 13 minutes. But if you're on the wrong end of that, whatever, it's something like that, right? He doesn't need to know the exact technicals. Rising up here, continuing to rise up. I'm looking for a short now. Looking for my chart. There it is. Looks like NQ wants 21,000. No, I mean I'm not sure. You might be right unless you looked it up, Brad. But I'm not 100% sure. I honestly have never really figured all that out, and I should probably, so I don't talk out of my rear end. 999.25. Kinda, Barry. I mean, I do affiliate stuff for the prop firms that fund my trading as well. I fund a lot of people here. So, majority of my income still comes from that. I'm still working on being a consistent full-time trader. We just hit 21,000 on NQ, and now we are coming down. So we finally got some moves here. Moves like Jagger. Continuing to rise. Okay, I was the heck. Remember earlier? Rejected. Why was it rejected? I was on the wrong account. That makes sense. Yeah, I figured out why my button didn't work earlier. Um, Barry could be anywhere between 2 and 10 in the 3 hours I'm streaming. Morning, Hassan. One of the hardest parts of trading is waiting for your entry. You get antsy, you feel like you should be in the market, but truthfully, most of the time you're not in a trade. At least for me, because I'm a scalper. My trades usually last about a minute to 3 minutes. Apparently, we're just going to never stop going up today. This is kind of odd. 21,023 is our new high. Yeah, John, this is amazing. Is this the turkey rally? Check see those news I missed. Nothing I see. Though there was a Israeli prime minister approved Lebanon ceasefire. That was a couple hours ago, though. Gonna take the short here. See if I'm trying to catch a moving rocket. Go away. Ah, wrong chart. Tight stop. 3 points. No, 6 points. That looks like it wasn't ready to come down. We'll see. No, I didn't set up any Thanksgiving sound effects. Still working on the Christmas ones. There we go. There's my drop. Bounced. My first target there on the 20. I mean, on the 9 EMA, but it may not come back down for me. That might have been it. Coming back. Oh, I want 00975. Ah, really? Come on back down. Everything? Yeah. Futures does, I mean, and I'm going to get stopped out. Well, that sucked. Bounced off the 9, headed back up. And it's going to come back down much. Yep, right back down. Ah, man. I hate that. I shouldn't have been, maybe I shouldn't have been greedy there. Should have taken the 5. Barry, it's been about 3 years. And this frustrating. It's came up, stopped me out, and then went exactly the way I expected. And popping back up. It is due. Hi, Reggie. How you doing? Yeah, it was a good short. If it might stop at the top, but we'll get the next one. Coming down. I may re-enter. I took a short. It came up, stopped me out, and then went back my way. So I was right about it. It just ended up taking me out first. Still falling. Top of the hour. 30 minutes till the bell. I agree, Hassan. Yeah, I was in at, I can't see. I was in at 17. I had one set for 10 and one set for 20. No, 30. Let's see. So how far is it gone? Wow, I just missed 30 right there. So you got to leave your hands off of it just like I have to leave my hands off of it. And bouncing off the 20 back up. I think this entire week's going to be choppy. Barry, you might have picked the wrong week to really start studying this, but that's okay. But because this week, holiday week, is going to be a little bit choppy. That's okay, Barry. I mean, you can still learn. Just know that there's probably going to be less entries for me, and yeah, I don't think he's ready. He's totally learning, so I don't think he even has a sim account. He's just watching. Barry, I'm going to post a link here that somebody posted in on my Discord for new futures traders. They say it's really good. Check that out and see if you find it helpful. Yep, I'm actually now a TradingView affiliate. I think I have that email. I mean, that link in my video description, but I'm not sure. If not, I can provide it right here. Copy. I think it only works if you've never been a customer before, John. TradingView, of course, is my number one charting platform. I make all my decisions off of TradingView. Nice bounce off the 20 back up. Gotten choppy. Gold's falling. Gold coming down harsh. Yeah, I read last night that they found almost $1 billion worth of gold in China, and that needs to be mined. But that might cause price to come down some since we're getting more supply. Morning, Moxie. Yeah, here we go. China has found gold reserves worth $82.9 billion in central Hunan province. Uh, they found more than 40 gold ore veins at a depth of more than 2,000 meters, with a total of 300.2 tons of gold resources discovered in the core exploration area. The group forecasts that there's more than 1,000 tons of gold reserves at a depth of over 3,000 meters. Pops up. Meanwhile, gold heads down. Dow popping up too. ES is popping. And we're heading back up. New high of day. 21,029. You know, I was going to say, Hassan, there's people that took a short order when NQ was at 10,000 that said the same thing. I see NQ arising. A warning, Barry, I occasionally break into song. On your folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you gore that like button for me. Lets others know that you're enjoying the stream, and then YouTube recommends it to others. Apparently, like it did to Barry. You sound like a boss at a car dealership yelling at the people on the sales floor there, Hassan. Morning, Ace. How are you? How was the weekend? I was all right. Morning, RJ. Glad to see you made your drive safely. Yep, it's gonna stop me out again. Wow, look at gold just dumping. Wow, look at that. Gold double, kind of double top there. A 26.89 has fallen over 30 points. It just keeps falling. Wow, RJ. Wow. I took a couple naps Friday afternoon. I slept from like 1 a.m. till 11 a.m. Like my bladder didn't even wake me up. No, Hassan. No. It's kind of how I made it sound. I didn't mean it like that. No. I just assumed that it was a moose crossing. Everybody enter the Tick Tick Trading direct to funded giveaway, 100K account. If not, there's the link. Feel free to enter. Winners will be picked in about an hour and a half.
Yeah, I missed this purple right here. That was a good one. We'll get the next one. Barry is still hanging in with us. Ace and RJ. Before you two came in, there was 9 likes. Now there's 10, which means at least one of you didn't hit the button. Oh, RJ, we did hit 50 likes on Friday. Blue candle pop here off the 9 EMA. Sitting here 21,039 with a few minutes till the bell. Hmm. Somebody on the Discord just changed their avatar to Kim Jong-un. Push down there.
Is it at an all-time high? I think it might be. Let me look for sure, for sure. Let me look for show, for show. No. 66053 apparently was the all-time high. Let me make sure of that. Yeah, 6053.25. Daldo's at an all-time high. RJ, hit your live button. You're about 2 minutes behind.
That's a good reminder for everybody, folks. If it appears that you're out of sync with the broadcast, because I only have like a 1 to 2 second delay. So if you're seeing where price action on the screen isn't matching what you're seeing in price action on your live charts, for some reason the stream might have fallen behind. There's a little button where you can hit live to get you back to the live broadcast and catch up whatever time you've lost. Down to the Bollinger. Whoops, I missed the 2 minute thingy. Sorry about that. Got distracted for a minute. Dump. There you go, Hassan. Like you said, it's got to come down. Oosh. Tinny whoosh. We have a whooshing machine here. Yay, good job, Hassan. Ace is short. I think we lost Barry. Nice, Russell. Nice job, Ace. Popping up blue candle here. Tubas. He trades tubas. No. ES. He's an ES trader. Oh, big pop. 23 points. Good morning, USC. How are you? Long. Boom. Target hit. Number one. My stop up to break even. Hit that 20 EMA. He's bouncing back down. Doing good. Thank you. Pulls back. Tries again. Rises up. Pulls back. We'll take it off there. There we go. That was an excellent trade. Did with two contracts, got out with first one at 10 points, the second one at 12 and a half. It looks like I got out the right time. Is it dumps? Thank you, Ace. Yep, there it goes. I should if I stayed in, I could have got my 30 points, but that's okay. It's an interesting blue candle here. Let's see what it does. Blue candle went away. Gold continuing to fall. Look at that, just completely losing its mind. And now it pops. Yeah, rising up. Wow. So got down to 956, has popped up 100 points in less than 10 minutes. Rising. Everyone got very quiet. All must be concentrating. It's the second time that's happened now. That short was the same, also an A plus setup of yours. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. Don't come around tonight. Thank you, USC. I'm gonna do the evals that way too. I just haven't gotten it set up yet. Pulls back here. I should have taken the purple. Pulls back. Another blue. Let's see how that candle finishes. Blue candle went away and came back. Not finishing below the 9, so I'm not taking that purple. Maybe a regret. Yeah, it's a regret. I would have got my 10. Dang it, this would have worked.
Yep, I'm just very slightly red, but I wish I had taken this purple. This would have put me in the green, but that's okay. How about you, Reggie? How are you doing? Wait, what?
What are we doing here? What are we doing? Still falling. Okay, so Funded Futures Network just upped their Black Friday game. BOGO 50% off, no activation fees, and you get every purchase enters you into to win a laptop. Excuse me, I'm not looking at the charts. 1 minute.
Still falling. Wow. So I doubted that purple and I shouldn't have. Look at that. What goes up must come down. Still falling. Yeah, what is our low day? I can't see too many indicators. 928 is our low day. Possible bounce here though. That was not the bounce we were looking for. God, I didn't try and take that. That would have hurt. Still recovering from Friday, RJ? Down another 30? Blue candle. We're going to take this if it holds, I think. Oh, I just accidentally hit that early, but I entered like 6 seconds too soon. Let's see what happens here. There it goes. Maybe. Did I get stopped out with one? I must have got stopped out with one right away. That sucks. Before I got a chance to move my stop. Are you serious? Now you're going to come back down to my entry? Ah, back up. I just want to get my money back on that one I lost now. Morning, Tio. Good to see you. How you doing? Doing all right. Got within a tick of my target and came back on me. There we go. Target hit. Talk about a fight. So yeah, I immediately got stopped out on one that I didn't get the stop move in time. It just took 7 seconds to stop me out. Then I was able to actually make that a profitable trade by holding the second one. Bull and Ox is back to 91%. That's why I didn't change much. Wow. So I got out at the right time on that trade because look at that whoosh down. Still falling. New low a day, by the way. Trying to hold 900, hit 899 half. Yeah, I forgot about that gap. We closed 878 on Friday, gapped up to 935 on the open. Just kind of stuck on that 9 EMA. Can I get through it? How's everyone else doing so far? Took a long here. Might be ill-advised. Thought it was going to break the 9. Looks like it's not going to. Come on. Come on up. Blue candle. That's what I like. I jumped early. I shouldn't have. Nope. Blue candle went away. I'm going to take a big loss. Maybe. Blue candle coming back. There we go. Come on up. There we go. First target hit. Rising. Boom. Oh, can't get through that 20. Let's try again. Pulling back. Trying to run again. There we go, getting some momentum up. There's that 20 again looming. Again, it can't get through it. Ejects off a bit harsh. Stop, moving to stop to just above break even. Either takes me out or it goes where I want it to. I'm already up 10 points on this trade with the one I got out with. Oh, wow. There we go. Stopped me out for one tick there. So I got 10 points in a tick. And we're back in the green on the day by 183 bucks. Not sure what that was, a nasty rejection there. That was a whoosh. And down. Now it's filling that gap there, Hassan. So I should have taken that purple and that whoosh.
It just surprised me, and I got to get better at that. Anytime a purple touches the 9, I need to take it. Blue candle pop. Ace, I see you signed up for the giveaway. See if you can get above the 9. I don't like pops that nose the 9 but don't get above it. So let's see here. Ooh, that's a big candle. 30 points. Yep, I didn't take that because the blue candle, the wick is about the size of the body. It's probably going to go for me, but we'll see. Yep, it went, so would have worked. I'll cry now. Well, nice move up. Dashing through the snow. Everyone got very, very quiet again. Be way quiet. Are we hunting NQ? Struggling here at the 9. Um,
And down, and then tries to pop back up. Is it going to get above the 9? It did. I thought about taking that, but it was a little slow.
Waiting for our next opportunity. Still trying. I see a blue candle there on the 5. Back down? No? I don't know. Kind of want to go long here and kind of don't. I should have went long there, maybe. That's a great entry, Hassan. I missed it. I should have. I didn't. RJ, USC, how you guys doing today? Nice job, guys. Long. Possibly a mistake. We'll see. It's kind of choppy here, so
I just blew up the wrong chart. Not giving. Oh, yep, got stopped out. That didn't work. Now we're back to red, but that's okay. Shouldn't have taken that blue in the chop. And I'll see. I'm kind of liking this blue one again. Feels like now it's ready to go. Should I let it beat me again? We'll see. 20 seconds on this candle. Greeny like they used to take in MLB back in the 70s, RJ? Long. Come on, come on. Ah, there we go. Target hit on one. Pushes back. Ah, stopped out on the second one for a break-even trade. I didn't move my stop up to break even quick enough. So I won 10, lost 10 on that one. Yeah. Nice job, USC. Ooh, and yeah, that was a purple candle. That was actually a perfect setup for my reversal trade. So the award for the oddest Black Friday sale so far in the world of prop firms goes to Fidias. Fidias's Black Friday sale runs the 25th through the 28th. Black Friday is on the 29th, so their Black Friday sale isn't even on Black Friday. Still falling. Back down to 884. So we got up to 942, pulled back about 40 points. What the hell are we doing? There we go, rising up. Rising back up nicely here. Wow, nice pop there, 20-point candle. Nice. Hassan.
Keeps pulling back before you can really get a run. About 20 minutes left on the stream. Are we red, green, or somewhere in between? Nice job, Greg. Good to see you. On the email or the video, Greg? Nice, Hassan. All right. Thank you. Gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away. Oh, rising back up. Down she came, now up she goes. Well, where she stops, nobody knows. Well, if the market stops, it's kind of must be closed, but just think 1 week from, I mean, sorry, 1 month from today is Christmas. It's practically here. I always hate it when Thanksgiving is really late. I always like Thanksgiving being earlier. Makes feels like the Christmas season's longer. Although I will say that when I was a kid, yeah, I loved watching the Macy's parade and Santa came in and all that. Then it just felt like there was a dead period between 2 weeks. Now it feels like that dead period's gone. Time keeps on slipping and slipping and slipping into the future. Pulls back here and Q. Like gold ended up doing gold. Wow, gold went even further down. Look at the Ultra Bond. Wow. Wow. Oh, crude dump. Wow. Isn't it amazing, USC? At least I know for me, when I was a kid, you know, the month between Thanksgiving and Christmas went slow, so slow. And now it just seems like everything goes by so fast. I think that was your Forrest Gump moment there, your box of chocolates moment. Ah. Uh-oh, Ace, I think RJ's found a new comedy partner. I don't want to live forever. Yeah, he disappeared today. A tracking device I put in that package seems to have gone offline. Whoosh. Just a few minutes left. I think I'm gonna finish a little red on the day. That's okay. That's okay. Choppy here as we head toward the end of this stream. Uh, Gold trying to bounce. Just 2 more trading days till Turkey Day. Can we make the most of them? I am. I will be trading all week. Well, not all week, but yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll be streaming. Thursday, I'm going long on the Macy's parade. Right. Not not gonna be here Thursday or Friday. It won't be worth trading those days. Macy's parade and Miracle on 34th Street are my two traditions for Thanksgiving. It's my all-time favorite Christmas movie.
Yeah. Yep. I love all the Christmas specials. Even though I'm an adult with no kids, I still watch Frosty. I still watch Rudolph. I still watch Santa Claus is Coming to Town. Yep. Silver and gold. They're doing an extended version this year of Rudolph, RJ. It's back on NBC, which is where it first premiered, and they're somehow making it into 75-minute thing. Silver and gold, silver and gold. I've never considered it a Christmas movie, but so we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank you all for being here today. We'll be back here tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time for another great day of trading action. Hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.